Hello guys, we are at wedding today and there goes a slow train right now. I think he's going to Oxford. Yeah, he is. There he goes. So here today we have a fast train. There. Oh, we have one coming in. Another one. Literally right next to the other one. There he is. That was lucky. There he goes, and over there we have the wedding train centre. You can just barely make it out. There we go. There's a train service over there to London Paddington or Didcot. I'm not very good at this. And you can't see any trains at that one. Wait, geez, they stay here for a while. Oh, there goes one. I can see its red lights. That's a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. There are the trains. No other trains are either. This is wedding. Right now on platform 4. But
smoking is not permitted at this station.
Right now.
May I have your attention, please? This is a safety announcement. Please take care when using the escalators located on the station.
I don't know.
If you have luggage or
Maybe.
then please use the
I
passenger
don't
lifts
think
and
so.
ask for assistance if you need it.
There's that
Thank you.
slow train. Well, actually, Great Western Railways. There was to Oxford.
This is a platform alteration. The 1645 Great Western Railway service to Swansea will now depart from platform 9B.
And on platform 9 there's going to be a Great Western Railway service to Swansea from London Paddington. And he's still there. Doors wide open. And nothing. Oh, and here comes a cross country.
Platform 7 for the 1652 cross country service to Bournemouth.
And it's actually
Southampton Central. Basingstoke.
And it's on our platform, the one that we are standing on.
And Bournemouth. This train has 9 first class accommodation is situated in coaches 1 and 6.
To Bournemouth. This is not what I was actually expecting. Hey, it's a double cross country. Is that actually one of the rarest trains? Right, there's that slow train. And here he is. there's the Great Western Railway service to Oxford, and we're just moving along. There's Reading Station. 80 years. That's a long time. That's what I used to look like. And there goes one. Wait, that one is coming in. That's the platform that we were just at. Right there. 6 minutes 20 seconds and less trains than the Tilehurst video. Link in the description, by the way. So you guys find out of that. That's on the other side. Doors are closed. And that's the way down to the platforms. And there's a Great Western Railway service to Swansea. So this is Reading. 180 years is actually Reading to non-stop Reading to Oxford there. That's where the cross country goes. Guys, don't believe me? Well, then you're out. Daddy, let's go down here. Right, we're back here on platform 12B and 11. And here comes in a fast train. I think that is the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. And hey, look, and there's a Great Western Railway service to Oxford and a transport to London service to London Paddington. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coaches. This one is right here, and I don't think he's going to London Paddington. And I think he might be going to Oxford. This one just stopped here at Reading, service to London Paddington. And he's right there. I don't think you guys can tell, but it's back. But it says that's the back, but I think that might turn to the front soon. This is one of the louder trains, and its doors are closed. I don't want to open them because I'm not getting on. But this is only 3 coaches. This is the third one of the. This is the third one of these, and guys, we'll see you when we're back where we started. Guys, we're just about to leave